we have made a crane because this crane has said us to cat company, because the cat means caterpillar company. They have said us to make a modular crane so we can present and make a huge project. Product is for use selling, but nowadays the cat is thinking to make a new project that it should work on the injection, because the injection power. Another crane is also working with the injection principle only, but that is not working with that injection because they are taking a diesel and many more oils and some things. So cat company is thinking we should make a used steel injection that is used with like this only, so we cannot use that much of power that we are taking from a natural resources. This crane that they have made steps that this part is in driver's seat because they will break like this, that they are pushing the injection from there and that injection will work like this. They are thinking to make this injection like this, that working on this principle, big injection, making one steel big injection. And now they are thinking to make the hand like this in the future of 20th century. So that injection they are thinking to keep in driver's seat and make the steel injection for using this, because that cannot use that much of diesel and natural resources. So thank you for watching our video and like and subscribe. Now we will tell you about the working of this new project. Now I will show how it's working. See. Now I will show you this power of injection. Now this going. Now this is working on the train, and we the cat company is saying that we can make this train like in 2018 or 19. It will be recently launched by the new train. This train will be named by A267T. If you like the video, please subscribe and like and comment. Thank you for watching our video. My name is Chris Chiller.